Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have Zoran, one of our fundy trader here at forexprofirm.com. He recently completed his challenge and became the fundy trader of forexprofirm.com. And in this interview, we're gonna hear how he became profitable, how much time it took him to become profitable, what was his journey, what challenges he faced during the journey when he was becoming a profitable, and we will hear his story and all the opinions that he have to share with us. But before we do that, if you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And if you do not know what is a forexprofirm.com, forexprofirm.com is the proprietary trading firm. We offer you real funding up to $10 million. You can take the initial account sizes starting from $25,000 all the way up to $200,000. You're allowed to trade Forex, stocks, indices, commodities, and futures. And this interview is sponsored by 8cap Broker. 8cap is our partnered broker here at forexprofirm.com. So all our interviews are sponsored by 8cap. So now let's get into this interview and let's start. And can you tell us a little bit about yourself, who you are, how old are you, where are you from?
Hello, my name is Zoran. I'm 25 years old. I'm from Croatia.
All right. So when did you start trading?
I've been trading since 2019.
All right. So it's been more than 3 years since you
More than.
started. Yeah. That's very good to know because a lot of the traders when they start, they just give up after 6 months or 1 month when they don't see the results. And those who stick for a long period of time, they are the ones that actually end up succeeding in the market.
Yeah.
So can you describe what is your trading plan?
Okay, so my trading plan is to catch the wave. I consider myself a swing trader.
Hmm.
So my goal is to catch one move in the overall trending market. So the idea of this strategy is that I want to enter the trades after the retracement has ended, and I want to continue with the trend.
All
In
right.
this strategy, I'm using a 50 moving average line. So on the trading view. So first I need to identify a trend that respect the 50 moving average. So that is first of all.
All right. So basically, in simple words, you have explained that you just look for a trend, whether the trend is for the upside or whether the trend is for the sell side. Then you just wait for the retracement, and then you use moving average indicator that gives you an idea whether the retracement has ended, what is the overall trend, and that's how you look for your entries in the market.
Yes, exactly.
All right. And what are the most favorite pairs that you always like to trade?
My favorite pairs are gold,
Okay.
US 30, and euro and dollar.
All right.
Pair, euro and dollar.
Yeah, exactly. Most of the traders, they only trade these pairs because they are the one with the most liquidity in them. So
Yes, I
definitely,
like it. Yes.
yeah, definitely a lot more liquidity means good opportunities, better movements in price action. So definitely, I agree with you that these are the pairs that most of the time I have seen a lot of traders they like to trade on.
Yes.
And do you consider yourself a scalper, a day trader, and what sessions you like to mostly trade on?
I told already I consider myself a swing trader, and most of the time I trade on London and New York session.
All
I think
right.
that are the best session for trade because in London and New York session the market goes like up and down, and it's fast. You can
Yeah.
make good profit.
Yeah, exactly. When the big players in the market, when they join, especially in the New York session and late London session, that is when we see big movements in the market.
Yeah,
So it's definitely good to catch those movements during these sessions.
yeah.
All right. So, what is your trading history? Tell me a little bit about your trading history, your background.
So I start at 2019 in February. I saw on the social media some good Croatian trader
Okay.
that he offers mentorships for a good price.
Okay.
Then I start reading a little bit about trading and everything because I saw it for the first time, and about him, this guy.
Hmm.
And when I had money for that for the mentorship, I started with him. So that was like about 3 months. That mentorship lasted for 3 months. Then after that, I didn't have money for start trading alone, and I took a little break.
Okay.
When I found out for these free firms like yours, I started saving money for the challenge. So always I wanted to pass this 200K challenge. Anything less I didn't want. In the meantime, I put €100 on my trading account and start learning about markets more and more in every day. So there was up and downs in my trading account, and I decided to take after a little bit time a FTMO challenge. I take it, and I failed in two challenges. Then after that, I was a little bit angry and started learning more and more. And I asked this guy again, can he teach me again what I didn't know? So after that, I didn't have money again for the challenge. So there was a little break again. So after some time, I will start looking for better prop firm, and here I am now, past your challenge in just 4 days, and I'm very happy about
Well,
that.
congratulations to passing the challenge, and you passed it in 4 days. That's very good to know. So, most of the traders, it takes some time to become a profitable trader. You started in 2019. It took you a lot of time to practice, to
Time and
backtest.
money, time and money. Yes,
Yeah, exactly. Time and money as well. But the problem is, people they often give up when they don't see the results. But you are not the one who gave up. Even though you were losing, but you decided to kept going, and that is
yes,
what made you achieve your goals in trading. That is what made you overcome all the mistakes that you were making while you were learning, and that's how you became profitable. You even failed couple of from challenges before, but
yes,
you were good enough to take a step back to analyze your mistakes, and as a result, you have completed a $200,000 challenge here at forexprofirm.com. So, congratulations again. And I want to know what was a key moment in your trading? It can be a good thing or a bad thing.
So key moment I think is when I take this FTMO challenge for the first time, and I passed one first step in this minimum 10 trading days what FTMO has. So unfortunately, after that I failed step two because I didn't have a good risk management then. Then I understood I can do it, and I never quit. And that is just need to work on my risk management, and so I started working on my risk management. First, I set myself is a limit of 3% risk. Then and continue trading on my live account with some money. And after some time, I find your firm on website and saw your rules, and there was this risk management about 1.5%
Yeah,
per trade
per asset.
so per asset. Yeah, thank you. So I told myself I can do it and try to pass your challenge, but two times I failed your
Okay.
challenge before this one, and then I passed this with I think a really good risk management finally.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was it.
Yeah, basically, risk management when it comes to passing the pro firm evaluation, no matter which firm you go with, if you have a
Yes,
good risk management system, then and only then you will be able to pass the challenge. If you have no risk management system, it does not matter how good your trading strategy is, even it has 80% or 90% winning ratio. But if you do not know how to control your emotions, and if you do not know anything about risk management system, then you're never going to pass the challenge. So it definitely takes some time to develop the good risk management system that can help you pass the pro firm evaluation. And that is the reason
yes,
why most of the traders, when they take the challenge for the first time, they are failing these challenges because they have absolutely zero idea about how to control the good risk management system.
exactly. Yes.
So, how much time it took you to become profitable trader?
So it took me 2.5 years to become a consistent trader. I changed my risk management, and before I was all day in the market. and trading all day constantly. So there was so much lose because you can't take in one day like 50 trades. I think three or four trades are enough for one day, and that's it. And you need to be satisfied with that.
All right. And what about the risk management? You said that you had no risk management, and that was the reason you were failing these problem challenges. So, how did you adjust your risk management?
So I always control my deal with losses. I think that is the most important for traders. You can trade through the pain. You can trade in revenge, determined to recover the losses. So I think the losing trades gives you more awareness of what you have to do in future. So after a big loss, I always ask myself which leads to it. Is that getting out of trades too quickly, or is it because of holding position too long, or getting into more trades that I should? So I think that what my there I see this about risk management, about losses, and that's the most important for me. And I think every trader should think about this risk management and with the losses. How can we it feel?
Yeah, exactly. So, can you please recap what was your strategy that you used to pass the Profum forexprofum.com evaluation?
So I told already I am swing trader. So my strategy was to catch the wave, like I said already.
Yeah, it's super easy. And trading, it's not complicated. People often make it complicated. You just need
Yes,
to
yes,
stick to one good strategy. You have to make simple rules to find a good trade opportunity using whatever strategy that you want to. And if you stick to those rules and if you stick to one good strategy and it's a simple strategy, then it is very easy for you to make money from trading.
yes.
And can you please tell me how working for forexprofirm.com is different than trading by yourself?
So I think because it's easier with firm, you can have a lot more money with the firm that you can do alone. So and these rules you have, it's a lot easier with rules. When you don't have rules with your trading, I think it's you can't do anything with profit. So it's much easier when you follow these rules. You have rules and you have it in head. I can't break the rules, and you will become much better.
All right, that's good. So, what would you recommend to anyone who is just starting either here at forexprofirm.com or he's just starting trading in general? What would be your recommendation?
Like I already said, if you're starting to trade or trading already, be sure that you have a good risk management and that you can control your losses. So if you want to take a challenge, I recommend this prop firm with the best rules and the best scaling plan ever. I like it a lot.
Yeah, exactly. We do not have any daily drawdown limit here at forexprofirm.com. The rules are very simple. Make 8% in the first phase and then make 5% in the second phase. You get 35 days to make 8% in phase 1 of the evaluation. You get 60 days to make 5% in phase 2 of the evaluation. Now, forexprofirm.com is offering one step evaluation where you only are required to meet the 10% profit target objective in no time, and you only have to follow two rules: daily drawdown limit and overall drawdown limit. Once you follow these rules, these are the risk parameters that we have placed, and you meet the 10% profit target objective no matter how much time you want to take, whether you want to do it in 10 days or whether you take 1 month, 3 months. You can simply just get a funded account from forexprofirm.com. So I want to thank you, Zoran, for giving us your time, talking about how you became profitable. What was it like when you started? How many accounts you failed? And again, thank you so much for giving us the time and telling us about your story.
You're welcome, and thank you for having me.
Yeah, pleasure is all mine. So have a good day, and we will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Peace out.